Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hold to speak predictions and what it does on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, so swipe down a little bit and click on the accessibility, then you want to go to the spoken content, and then you want to go to the typing feedback. Once you are here, you are going to find the hold to speak predictions, and what it does, if you are typing something and you have predictions over your keyboard, I will show you just this. So let's open messages and let's say we have predictions. So now if I'm going to tap, nothing is going to happen, like this feature wouldn't be on. But if I tap and hold, as you could hear, maybe let's make that a little bit louder. If I tap and hold, this word is going to be spoken by iPhone.
Chances that the new
As you can hear,
season
everything is working, even if I'm going to type something like this.
going to come.
As you can hear, everything is working right now. So this feature, what it does, if you tap and hold prediction, it is going to be spoken. So this is how you can make this feature on. If you want to have this feature off, the same steps. Go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the spoken content. Once you're here, go to this typing feedback and make sure that this button is no longer green. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.